240 plus class hitting the gate right now, which is cool. You see a 2007 KTM over there, right next to this old school bike, 1987 CR 500. Dogs out here, very cool. Check out this Suzuki with the Bill's pipe. It's got some aftermarket parts on it. Looks like aftermarket head on this machine, very cool. Oh, we have another old school CR. Is it a 500 or a 250?
250.
250, what year?
91.
91.
Yeah, dude.
How's the track treating you with this old motorcycle?
Oh, dude, it's awesome.
That's
It's
cool.
great. Yeah.
Well, you enjoy. Keep it safe out
good.
there.
It'll be different on this moto though.
All different on this moto because they know this track's going to get a lot rougher. And like I said, guys, more modern bikes out here as well. Let's see if we see any throwback bikes. Van Epps on the line. This young lady loving the two-stroke nationals. Yes, she is. A whole lot of fun. This one's got the throwback livery on it, but it's not a throwback bike. Oh, I think I see something very old down here. We're gonna take a look at. I told you I'm gonna take you into pits in a second, but before I take you into pits, I see another old school CR. Oh, they're getting the whole shot device set up just right. There we go. Oh, trying to get it locked in. Trying to get, Mike Brown was having the same problem in the pro round. Full shot device locked in. And I got to see this old school. See it. This might be the oldest one yet. What year, sir?
86, sir.
86. That is the oldest bike I've seen on the gate so far. Very cool. Good luck to you. We got another. Loving it. We got a CR over here. CR 125. What year is it? 125?
96.
96. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you, guys. That is what's so cool. All these two strokes out here competing on an even playing field. Gotta love the old school. Gotta love the old schools. We get set to go, set to blast these vintage bikes off the line. And here's one that you gotta love. This one, I see this graphic set and I just think Jeremy McGrath, right? The old 1-800 collect scheme. Jeremy did such a good job out there, one of the greatest of all time. And we got a cheering section over here. We got any two-stroke fans in the house? Yes, we do. These ladies having a good time. Turned into a massive celebration, massive party out here. Here comes the KTM. Getting ready to blast off last minute calisthenics. That is important. We'll check in on the women's division here in a little bit. I want to give you a look through the pits as well. Question here is, can old school hang? Can old school hang with the new bikes? We're about ready to find out. As the sweet smell of two strokes ready to invade Glen Helen once again. Let's get it on. Sorry guys, I told you I was going to show you the pits. As you can tell, I get a little preoccupied. I absolutely love it. Two-stroke fans over here? Yes, we do. It's happy hour too, right? Yes, it is. Happy hour, 8:05 spot. Any two-stroke fans over here? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We got any two-stroke fans over here? Yes, we do. All right, you know, before we go, I got to show you old school. Let's see how old school can do on the starting gate here. 1987 CR 500. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Ready to go. Let me know in the comments without skipping ahead. Will that CR 500 be able to pull a top 5? It's old. He's got a big displacement advantage on many of these. So here we go. Top 5, yes or no? And if you've ever had a two-stroke, I want to know about it down below. What motorcycle did you have? And give me your thoughts on it down below. On the drag race, he pulled them all. He got into trouble in the Talladega corner, but that CR 500 pulled him on the straight big time. Sweet music to my ears. I hope you love that. How great does that sound? How great does that smell? That is wonderful. The only thing that would be better is if you were sitting here having a cold 805 watching this, right? Yeah, there you go. Very cool. What are we looking at here, sir? What year is this? What year is this motorcycle? Wow, very cool. 82. Here's what a CR 250 looked like in 1982, and right now he's manicured the spot. Can't do that in Pennsylvania, by the way. You guys educate me on the rules. I know in Pennsylvania that was a violation. I got in trouble for that one time. Can't do that. We got an old Yamaha out here as well. There's a cool Yamaha. What do we look, 85?
84.
84.
85 colors.
Hey, I was gonna say, okay, I had an 84 yellow one.
Yeah.
How much fun are you having out here?
I'm sorry?
You having fun?
Oh, yeah.
This is a blast,
It's a
huh?
lot of fun.
How old are you?
64.
God bless you. You enjoy, guys. 64 on this motorcycle from 1984. So many tough riders out here. A lot of talent for sure on the starting gate. And we gotta love it. The big bore KX 500. Looking good. Getting ready to twist the throttle. We'll go check in on this race. Whoa. Uh-oh, let's hope we can get it started. Electric start riders are... I'm gonna let him get in the zone. You guys tell me, what year was that? Who knows in the comments what year is that motorcycle? It is out for these guys. Let's see how they finish. Let's see how that CR 500 finishes. Here comes the checkers. Oh, how about it? Bringing home a third. Bringing home a third. On the old school CR 500. Let's take a look at who he beat. Wow, guys. There's the 07. Good Lord. Good Lord. That's worth watching again. Play this thing back. 1987 CR 500 pulls a podium against all the modern bikes. That is so cool, guys. Doesn't matter what you ride, if you have the speed and if you have the talent. If you have a friend who loves two-strokes, share it with them, because guys, if I want to hear about your two-stroke down below. I love mine. Miss them. Long live the two-strokes. Here comes another old school bike finishing. How awesome was that, guys? From San Bernardino, California. You know, if there's anything, dirt bikes, off-road trucks, racing, drag bikes, we are in. From the two-stroke world championship, off-road racing insider rolls on. If you like that video, here's another one for you. Subscribe right in the middle. Thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it.